Hi everyone, I'm Matt the Scratch Kid. Today I'm going to talk about event blocks. Event blocks are really important because they control when things happen in your program. They're sometimes called hat blocks because they sit on the top of a list of blocks. When the event block is triggered, Scratch follows your list of commands below the block. Let's call that list a script. Event blocks are brown. You'll find them on the Scripts tab in the block palette. Their names are mostly self-explanatory. The first block to try is the start when green flag is clicked. Let's tell it to move the cat 30 steps. Click the green flag and he moves. Cool! These green flag blocks let you run scripts as soon as someone starts your program, such as loading up the menu screen for your game. Once your game is running, the key press events are perfect for controlling what's happening on the screen, whether you're steering a car, pausing a game, or making your rabbit jump. This block is useful for lots of things. Here we've linked them to the arrow keys so the cat turns to face in that direction. The start when sprite is clicked block is a great way for people to interact with your characters on the screen, such as selecting which player you want to be or which enemy you want to attack in a battle game. Here we'll use the glide to motion block to send the cat back to the start when we click on him. The when backdrop switched event block is really useful for changing things as people progress throughout your game, such as moving to the next page of a story or progressing to the next level of a game. Let's set up a quick scenario to show how this works. The default backdrop is called Backdrop 1. Let's add Bedroom 1. Now we add key press events, so pressing the 1 and 2 keys changes the backdrops. Now we can go to sounds and add a meow to our when backdrop switches block. Now when we change to the bedroom backdrop, the meow happens automatically. This way you can easily activate a different script every time the background changes. Next we've got the loudness block, which uses your computer's microphone. The higher the number, the louder a sound needs to be to trigger this block. For example, if you set it to 40, then you'll need to clap pretty loud or shout to make the cat move. Finally, we've got broadcast blocks at the bottom. You can use these to trigger lots of events at the same time, a bit like the backdrop switch block, so it's useful when you're building complicated programs. Broadcast blocks are really handy. I'll take a closer look at them in another video. Event blocks are some of Scratch's most important blocks, but we've only just started to tap into Scratch's full potential. I hope you'll stick around to check out more of my content. Click subscribe to be notified of new videos. This is Matt the Scratch Kid, signing off.